Welcome to BNSF Video News. The intermodal industry is relying more and more on intermodal containers to transport goods across the country. In response, BNSF introduced a revolutionary design to handle intermodal containers at the terminal. This week, BNSF is holding its grand opening of the new intermodal facility in Memphis, Tennessee, which is built to handle more trains in less time and with greater productivity than ever before.
The facility design has been worked on for several years. We knew certain things. We knew that between 1996 and 2006, our lift volume had changed. We'd grown almost 100%, and our mix of containers versus trailers had changed dramatically. We were handling many more containers than we were trailers. And for that reason, we had a shift in the paradigm in the way we do our business.
Designed to serve the greater southeastern United States, BNSF selected the location for the new intermodal facility because of the proximity to customers' distribution centers and room for other companies' future growth.
We feel that the Memphis area is going to be a spot where there's going to be a lot of population growth in the future, and there's going to be a lot of businesses moving their goods to and from this area, a lot of manufacturing going on, and we feel that it's a very strategic decision for us to build this facility in this location.
To make the most out of the location, BNSF designed a layout maximizing the amount of space available, but still allowing room for growth without sacrificing productivity. So instead of growing out, the facility is designed to grow up.
We can stack up to 5 containers wide and 5 containers high. And we also have a stack underneath the production crane that allows us to have 4 containers wide and 4 containers high. We have parking stalls on the facility for 2,000 units, and right now we have the capacity to stack 4,000 containers in the yard right now. And so we have a lot more capacity than we had on the old facility. The old facility, we started getting worried when the inventory started getting around 1,000 units in the inventory.
The layout allows not only for more space, but faster turns. From entry to exit, trucks going through the Memphis Intermodal facility will be able to drop off and pick up new loads faster than any other intermodal facility. This also cuts down the number of hostlers BNSF needs to transport containers to and from storage areas and loading zones.
It would take about 60 minutes for a truck to come in the gate, to park their unit, to pick up their outbound unit, and to get out of the gate. It would take around 60 minutes. Our current trucker turn times now that we have in this facility is right around 27 minutes. So we've been able to cut that time in half. And we think our customers are really going to appreciate that.
Contributing to faster turn times are the automated gates. Digital cameras record images of each truck, unit, and chassis that enters and exits a facility. And biometric technology identifies drivers entering the facility. The technology provides a faster check-in process and helps reduce truck idling time, which minimizes air emissions by 50%. The biggest and industry-changing technological advance are the 8 wide span and high stacking cranes. They allow BNSF to increase parking and inventory space in a smaller footprint. The crane's new innovative technology and revolutionary design was the driving force in the layout of the new Memphis facility.
The big thing that really convinced us to build this facility was the fact that we got more track space under the cranes. With these cranes, we now can span over 8 tracks, and we can bring 8 trains in at one time. So we've essentially doubled the capacity to handle trains. That results in a more efficient overall transportation move.
The 8 wide span and high stacking cranes are also 100% electric powered, producing 0 emissions. New technology has also made moving the containers on and off trains and trailers safer, more accurate, and more efficient than ever before, saving time and money for customers.
We've developed a computer system that is tied to a GPS system that automatically tracks the containers the entire time that they're under the crane. So when the container is hooked onto by the spreader bar on the crane and it is moved to any location, that's tracked automatically.
The benefits of the new Memphis Intermodal facility are just now being realized. And by designing and building innovative facilities like the one in Memphis, BNSF Railway is making strides to fulfill its vision to provide transportation services that consistently meet customer expectations. That's it for this edition of BNSF Video News. Thank you for watching.